So tonight we were working on soltadas, which we talked about. For a soltada, we need to have the structure of the molinete, which is, of course, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side. And I need to be able to depend on that in order to get a soltada. The first one we worked on was from back ochos. So I'm going to lead her to back, side, forward, forward. So the first step she's going to do is a back step. And when she does, I'm going to relax my right arm, step around her. So she's actually to my back now. I'm also going to put this hand here so that as she goes around, she traces around my body and then back to my embrace. This just helps us not get separated from one another. So if I send her and she goes away from me, then soltada's not going to work. So that was the first one. Then we looked at, if I don't turn as much back to her, then she will come back in front of me. She'll take that next step, which is back, side, forward, side. And then I could come in and get a leg wrap. So again, in real time. We also talked about that one of my favorite ways to initiate this is from close embrace. So we're in a close embrace. I send her around, and then we come back to close embrace. So we have that connection, release, and then back to. And then we did one where we do a Barrida, but instead of going here or here, I'm actually going to turn and go in with my heel. So instead of my toe going in for the Barrida, the forward part of my foot, I'm going in with the heel. And I'm going in pretty deep. I'm going past her leg here so that I can sweep